we only get better. Playboy face, you bought a bunny. I dye my grays, and you think that's funny. Raincoat's on and it's about 3:10, so run, run, run like you used to when you returned to me, and it all felt fine. Now it's lost on me, cause you can't turn time back into the way things were before. We changed like the weather, apart together. It's been 20 years now, it felt like forever. Will you come around and I'll pick up where we left it? Feels like we only get better and better. You're my favorite sweater, and we'll go on forever. Weekends in December when the snow falls, then you call to talk about the weather together. Like the weather, apart or together. It's been 20 years now, it felt like forever. When you come around, it's just like I remember. Feels like we only get better. Small talk, no conversation. That look makes me impatient. I can't tell what you're thinking. Please tell me what you're thinking. Last night we were more than fine. Just tell me if you change your mind. If you change your mind. 'Cause I'm calling, no answer. But you text me, and I feel right, but it feels right to you. But I'm all in, I'm falling, lost in. But if you're looking at me with the heart of doubt, don't kiss me right now. Don't tell me that you need me, don't show up at my house. All caught up in your feelings, don't run me round and round. Don't build me up just to let me down, just to let me down, down, down. Don't mess with my head. Don't tell me you're falling with your feet still on the ledge. I'm all out of breath. Baby, don't run me round and round. Don't kiss me, no, don't kiss me right now. On your lips, just leave it if you don't mean it. I know you got me in the palm of your hand, but I let go of you. Only let me hold you when he can. Yeah, I don't understand, 'cause I'm all in, I'm calling, no answer. But you text me when you feel like, when it feels right to you. But I'm all in, I'm falling faster. But if you're looking at me with the heart of doubt, don't kiss me right now. Don't tell me that you need me. Don't show up at my house. All caught up in your feelings. Don't run me round and round. Don't build me up just to let me down, just to let me down, down, down. Hey, don't mess with my head. Don't tell me you're falling with your feet still on the ledge. I'm all out of breath. Baby, don't run me round and round. Don't kiss me, no, don't kiss me right now. On your lips, just leave it if you don't mean it. Hurry home, let's never leave the house. But you mean it, I'm saying that out.
your mama I'll take care of you. Loaded up the car, drove into the dark. Billboard signs and skylines painted blue. We made it a home, but I felt alone. We were growing apart, and I knew I had to break your heart. So haven't seen you since. I went from someone you held when you were lonely, someone you called your one and only. I threw it all away. I went from someone you loved to someone you hate. Summer nights were feeling kinda strange, sleeping back to back. I knew we'd never last. We were growing apart, and I knew I had to break your heart. So off I went, haven't seen you since. I went from someone you held when you were lonely, someone you called your one and only. I threw it all away. I went from someone you loved to someone you hate. I know we talked about forever. I know you thought we'd end up together. I threw it all away. I went from someone you loved to someone you hate. Told your mama I'd take care of you. They say people change, well I guess it's true. I went from someone you held when you were lonely, someone you called your one and only. I threw it all away.
It's been a couple months, that's just about enough time for me to stop crying when I look at all the pictures. Now I kinda smile, I haven't felt that in a while. It's late, I hear the door ringing and it's boring. I open up that door, see your brown eyes at the entrance. You just wanna talk, I can't turn away. But please don't ruin this for me. Please don't make it harder than it already is. I'm trying to get over it. I wish that you would stay in my memories, but you show up today just to ruin things. I wanna put you in the past, 'cause I guess I'll let you stay for as long as it takes to grab your books and your coat and that one good cologne that you bought when we were fighting. 'Cause it's still on my clothes, everything that I own, and it makes me feel like dying. I was barely just surviving. I wish that you would stay in my memories, but you show up today just to ruin things. I wanna put you in the past 'cause I'm traumatized, but you're not letting me do that. 'Cause tonight you're all drunk in my kitchen, girl, in the fetal position, too busy playing the victim to be listening to me when I say I wish that you would stay in my memories, in my memories, stay in my memories.
I hate holding babies and people trying to save me. Think religion is a business where you pay for God's forgiveness. Modern art is boring, politicians are annoying. I don't think love lasts forever, and old music was better. Am I just high, or am I kinda right? Is it just me, or does anybody feel the way that I feel? They're just not being real. Tell me, is it just me, or is anybody thinking all the same shit? They're just not saying it, or is it just me? Is it just me? Weddings are outdated, the show Friends was overrated. I think rich kids have it easy, and PDA is creepy. The internet's obnoxious, people my age make me nauseous. I think marijuana's classy, and doing coke is trashy. Am I just high, or am I kinda right? Is it just me, or does anybody feel the way that I feel? They're just not being real. Tell me, is it just me, or is anybody thinking all the same shit? They're just not saying it, or is it just me? Is it just me? Should probably bite my tongue, but can't be the only one, yeah. Should probably bite my tongue, but can't be the only one. Or is it just me, or does anybody